Hi, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I will show you portrait design in Photoshop. Create a gradient color. Follow the process. I hope you like this tutorial. Pick the text tool. I'm using this font. Download link in description. Align center. Click color icon. Change the color. Open the second image. Remove the background. Move it on main project. Adjust the image size and set position. Right-click, convert to smart object. Right-click, choose clipping mask. Ctrl+J. Click on mask icon. Right-click and text layer select pixel. Go to select and choose inverse. Foreground color, select black. Pick up brush tool. Follow the process. I hope you like tutorial. Right-click on text layer and choose blending option. Choose stroke and follow the setting. Click on drop shadow and follow the setting. Final step is on text layer. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget